hello, how are you? How do you do? And thank you for doing it here at the Terry H channel. This is a channel where we give educative and informative videos. And in today's video, we are going to be covering the husk. So, after the whole rice milling process, this is where the husk is deposited from these big funnels, or they look like funnels. So this is where the husk is deposited after the whole rice milling process. So the husk is now taken from here. It is taken after now this place. It is taken to a place where it is burned. Yani somehow kama kuchomwa, but we don't burn it to ashes. We don't burn it to ashes. We bicarbonate. It's like smoking or having a soot on this yellow outer cover of the rice. It's called the husk. So after it has been bicarbonated, it is now taken into places. It is bought by organic people who make organic fertilizers and have it made as organic fertilizers. And it is very nice in nutrients needed in the soil. So this husk is one of the byproducts of rice, and we are also going to cover where it is taken to be burned. That's burning, but we have said we don't burn it to ashes. It's like covering it with soot. Yeah, so we'll go and see where it is burnt and how it is done. Okay, this is the burner. It's also known as the kiln. So you set a fire inside the burner. From this hole is where the fire is released. Then this one is the chimney where the smoke is released from the burner. So the husk covers this whole thing, as you can see over there. This is now the husk has been put around the burner. So from the burner is where the husk gets the color. The outer covering it's bicarbonated. Gets the outer cover, the black soot. The process is called bicarbonating. So the husk is bicarbonated. It turns from its original color, which is yellow, to the black color. Now from that black color, after the whole husk has incorporated or has formed a homogeneous mixture, a mixture that contains the same color, is when now the husk is said to be an organic. It has undergone the whole process of becoming an organic. So the organic is now ready to be used as fertilizer. So after you can see over there that this husk has turned into the black color, so that this one is ready to be used as a fertilizer. It has already undergone the whole process of bicarbonating. So from there we can see that the rice has benefits and has byproducts. It just doesn't end at the milling process. Then we get to consume the rice. It has byproducts which are very useful, because now this one gets back to the shamba as the fertilizers. So you see, it revolves round. So I don't think there's anything of the rice that is wasted, because we are going to cover more byproducts of rice as we continue. So keep to this channel. Consider subscribing, sharing, and comment down below. Till next time, bye bye. Okay, so after the long journey of rice production, now we come to the last stage, where now this is the husk after it has been bicarbonated. And now these are the organics here. This is where now they are packed and it's production. And we're gonna meet now the madam here, and she's gonna explain to us more about it. So what's your name?
My name is Joyce Kamande. I'm a co-founder and the head of operations here in Safi Organics, a company that focuses on converting organic or rather rice husk into high-yielding carbon-negative fertilizer.
So you can explain to us now the uses of this BioChar, Safi BioChar, and its uses and its properties. Yes.
So Safi Organics fertilizer is based, we call it BioChar. That means bio and char. So it's black as charcoal, as you can see. So it's rich in carbon and is very also rich in organic matter. And it buffers the soil pH. So it's a fertilizer that can be used on high acidic soils. In case, rather in using lime or mop, you can use Safi Organics fertilizer that is very helpful for your land and also rejuvenates the soil fertility status, basing our fact that most soils in Africa or rather in Kenya have declined in terms of fertility.
Okay, so you can see that there is the guaranteed values. I can see the photo and PK. Unaweza tueleza maybe the kiwango cha every property.
So what happens here is that we basically have developed 3 products from the BioChar. The first product we call it BioChar. So this acts generally as mop or lime. So it buffers the soil pH and lowers the soil acidity levels. So, and it's also used to raising seedlings. If you're doing tree planting or rather any kind of fruits and you're using it to raise the nurseries, this is a perfect product for that. And the other product we have planting fertilizer, which acts as DAP or TSP, but rather is an organic product and is very nice for the soil. And our that product is the topper, which acts as SC. I would rather say it's rich in nitrogen and also in phosphorus and all the NPK considered.
Okay, so that's the end of our video today. Maybe you can tell us how, if anyone needs the BioChar, how they can reach you.
If you're in need of BioChar or you're in need of rejuvenating your land because you are tapping into real hunger, climate change, and you're a farmer who is eager to rejuvenate their soils and increase in yields, you can reach Safi Organics on www.safiorganics.co.ke. And you can reach us through our mobile number 0725 778 829.
Okay, so thank you for your time. Bye bye.